At TECO Chemicals, our philosophy centers on technical proficiency, an exceptional global distribution network, and bespoke service. This is who we are, a vital nuance that has led successful marine transformation and growing trust at every touch point. Our approach is our edge, with passion guiding each interaction to shape the future of shipping. We are looking forward to an exciting voyage of opportunities and a promising maritime journey together with our partners. I'm incredibly energized to proceed with ambitious targets and sustain growth, to capture the possibilities that lie ahead and build on the solid foundation we have created over the last 3 decades. TECO Chemicals is a specialized supplier of IMO 2020 compliant marine chemicals, cleaning chemicals for tankers and bulkers, remote cleaning consultations, supercargo services, and equipment for tank and cargo hold cleaning. We are renowned in the market for our commitment towards quick turnaround and optimal flexibility. We pride ourselves on offering 24/7 connectivity, always listening, and always available. Our business traction has expanded consistently as we have embraced new adventures and established a firm footprint in the marine chemicals industry. We have seen increased revenues as a direct result of consolidating new and existing customers' accounts. By taking advantage of TECO stock point and service partner channels in more than 30 countries worldwide, we have tremendously increased our accessibility. In cooperation with our technical partners, we are able to provide chemicals at highly competitive prices per liter, benefiting from localization of supply. The team has built a fully functional logistical network in key ports to enable last-mile deliveries, radically reducing delivery costs. We continue to gain a stronger foothold in the supply of BWTS maintenance chemicals and IMO 2020 compliant chemicals such as caustic soda solution and TECO maritime urea, which have dramatically lowered our clients' environmental impact. Our focus at TECO Chemicals has been to innovate with purpose to solve real problems. In a strategic collaboration with Dongwha Entech of Korea, the revolutionary TECO onboard urea generator directly impacts efficiency, cost, and compliance, resulting in an expected ROI of only 4 months. Vessel operators save on the transport of urea solution, free up storage space on board, and most importantly, play a part in our commitment to green and sustainable shipping. Moving forward, we will continue to work with equipment producers to provide sustainable solution packages which are both economical and productive. My personal vision is to transform TECO Chemicals into a key solution provider, progressing beyond the role of traditional supplier. Advocating the benefits of the DPP to CPP conversion remains a priority and competitive advantage for us. Our port captains also sit with cleaning from palm oil, soft oil, biofuel, CPP to methanol, and other high-spec cargoes in tankers, and from dirty to grain for bulkers. We are actively developing this business avenue and joining forces with our clients on a green transition journey, paving the way for an ecologically balanced future. The last couple of years have taught us to be agile and understand the need to pivot effectively. Our goal is to become an inspiring thought leader and harness the flow of critical knowledge with our partners through webinars, trade shows, and even conventional sales calls. We intend to align ourselves closer to client requirements, remain customer-centric, and be able to offer tailor-made, customized solutions. To pursue our shared vision of quality without compromise, I believe in being wired for empathy and leading with courage, boldness, and cohesive ambition. Together with the revitalized team leading this invigorating journey, we are poised to surpass our current achievements and accelerate the momentum we have created. I have built TECO Chemicals into an authentic, value-driven organization underpinning the way we do business. Our core values center around integrity, responsibility, excellence, innovation, and unity. We take decisive actions and work on charting the right path to success. Join hands with us as we navigate the maritime landscape, working alongside you to connect, collaborate, and forge partnerships for the future.